guys, and welcome back to another video. And today's video is about how to make $1,000 per month selling on Amazon. When you think about making an online purchase, your brain might be hardwired now to get right to Amazon. If that's true, you're not alone. There are over 310 million active users on Amazon, and 100 million of them are Prime members. That's a lot of 2-day shipping. Amazon is the e-commerce behemoth, and the company is simply moving into other markets like streaming services, grocery and food delivery, music and video games, fashion, and even healthcare. The vertical integration is making even it harder for smaller businesses to stay competitive. As they say, if you can't beat them, join them. And there are plenty of e-commerce brands making a lot of money by selling on Amazon while running their own e-commerce site. Provides more control over branding and profit migration margin. You can't ignore Amazon. In fact, you might be better off joining. If you're looking for increased profit from the e-commerce business, it is time to start selling on Amazon. Ready to get your feet wet, wondering how to make $1,000 per month selling on Amazon? Before we get into how to accomplish that, let's review some basics to see if selling on Amazon is the right opportunity for you or not. How to sell on Amazon for beginners. Before you get started with that $1,000 per month goal, you need to get set up to sell your product on Amazon. There are two options for e-commerce vendors: selling on Amazon with FBA or selling on Amazon directly. Here's how to choose the best option for your business. Selling on Amazon with FBA. Amazon is a global leader in online selling because of its cutting-edge worldwide order fulfillment networks. If you sign up for fulfillment by Amazon, you can store your product in their centers and sell your business reached by FBA to pick, pack, ship, and provide customer service for your product. Think about it. If you're just getting started in e-commerce, you need to take the time to market your business with digital ads, SEO, content, and PR. By selling on Amazon through FBA, you at least get to remove inventory management, shipping, the secure process, and return from your plate. Plus, Amazon's customer service via email, phone, and live chat tools can save you from hiring employees to handle complaints and returns. Customer service and returns for any order your customer places a handled directly by FBA and their knowledge-based software database. This saves you time and frustration, so you can focus on selling on Amazon to the best of your ability. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.